Hello everyone, this is Robin and welcome to my channel. As in this video I'll be reviewing TradeSanta crypto trading bot. This is TradeSanta's dashboard. It's simple and easy to understand. Here you have the balance dynamics, which shows your balance. This one blue line is in Bitcoin value, and this is in the USD value. And your profit dynamics is basically how much you've made in a day. Either you're winning or you're losing. So depending if you have a bot running right now, but I stopped using this one. So here is the total balance of the account. The exchange within 24 hours only shows Bitcoin, Ethereum. The top pairs within 24 hours traded by TradeSanta platform. You have here your news, and you have here the bots. You can create a DCA bots, dollar cost averaging bots. Most of these is gonna be long trades. You have grid bots, which create a grid trading strategy automated by TradeSanta, and same strategy still with DCA. And you have your futures bot. And the reason why I subscribe to this is because I want to trade the futures. So and you can change the theme from, this is the night mode, and you can change it to day mode. But to me, day mode is just too damn bright. I don't like using it, so I switch to night mode. So that is it for the dashboard. And what we're gonna discuss right now is manual trading, and this is what I don't understand. Why TradeSanta has manual trading, which is just basically the same as if you're trading directly from your exchange. So to me, this is one of those, kind of like a useless feature where you can just go directly to your exchange, your crypto exchange, as they have better charts. They do have their own charts though, but their charts aren't that good. There's only a limit to how much you can have with their chart. So this is their chart. It's practically the same as what you have in your exchange, but they're all the same, man. And this is what I don't understand, why they have why they have their charting system here. Then you can manual trade, which I don't think they should be separate, because if you're in a crypto trading bot like this, having a chart is kind of like a useless, because it's gonna be automated anyway. And that's basically it with their manual trading. You can select either you sell or you buy. You can choose the currency, what you're trading it for, and the currency, the coin you're trading it for. The volume, the market, you open a market trade or a limit trade. That's just it. And I would rather not use this. I would rather go for trading directly from the exchange, because you have lots of options to choose from. Lots of options. It's way more advanced than this. So manual trading is a no-no in this type of platform. Now we have a virtual trading bot. It's good though, so because you can test it out before actually creating your own real money trading bot. But the problem is this has errors. You're gonna encounter errors. I don't know, for some reason their bot just does not work. It does open up a virtual DCA bot, but the problem I encountered, it makes error from the start. So you won't be able to backtest from this. So this is just basically knowing how to open a bot or create a bot. It doesn't actually create trades that work for you. So here you have DCA bots, which I created one, mana USDT long, mana against USDT, and it lets you trade long. Since this is DCA, you're only able to trade long mostly. So you have the unrealized profit loss. There's nothing in there because it's already off. I turn it off because when I made this bot, it's a losing bot, and I lost $3 with this. And it's useless though. It doesn't matter which. Well, if the market is bear market, it doesn't matter if you open a bot, and the only thing that DCA bot can trade is going long. You're gonna lose money. Now let's try opening a great DCA bot, right? Of course, I have only for Binance, which I did connect. You can either choose long, which is, you can choose all available supported by TradeSanta. There's lots you can choose from, but if you choose short, this is what you get. There's only a few actually. This is the only, you can count them by finger. There's only like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, there's only 7 pairs you can short in the spot market. Yep. So this is how you create a bot. You get your take profit percent. You can set it whatever you want. You have the trailing take profit. You have step of extra order, which means how much drawdown would you accept in percentages before it opens another trade. You have max count of extra orders, which gives you the option how many orders you have to open extra for that certain coin you're trading. Your order volume, max number of cycles, how many times it executes the bot. So if you set 100 and they execute 100 times, if you go long, it will only execute, it will buy the coins 100 times. You can martingale. You have a minimum order price. You have the stop loss, of course. If you have the take profit, you have the stop loss. You can go trailing, and you can go unlimited. If you don't set this one number of cycles, you can set to trade unlimited times as much as you want. You can also use start signals, Bollinger Bands, moving average convergence divergence, MACD, relative strength index, and custom trading view, start signal and stop signal from trading view. But the problem is, when you use trading view, you need to be subscribed. You have to pay for a subscription here in TradeSanta, which costs you money, and you have to pay for a subscription on TradingView, which I don't have and I'm not planning to. So I can only use 3 options, which is Bollinger Bands, MACD, and RSI. So you can have your bot in here. You can save it only, or you can save it and turn it on so it can start trading. You have your grid bot. The grid bot is basically the same as DCA, but it just trades in grid trading strategy, and I've never used this, so I can't talk about it. I have no experience with this one. And we have here the futures bot, which I am using a lot. So you're gonna see here some bots are profitable, some bots are not. So this is still the same as how you set up for DCA bots, but when you create a futures bot, of course you can't trade not all pairs are available in the futures trading. So you can choose long, there's many to choose from, yet those are only available for the futures. In the short trading strategy, you have as many options. So the options between long and short are just the same identical. You can also see here which pairs are trending. So the hot trading pairs, which Bitcoin has 100 deals within, I think this is 24 hours. The same setting still. You can change the leverage up to 125 times, but I think it now depends on what Binance is offering currently because of the bear market. So max number of cycles, they're all the same. They're all the same. Now those are only the bots that they offer: DCA, grid bots, and future bots. The thing is, man, it doesn't matter what bot you create. If you create a long trading bot, and we are currently on a downtrend, you will keep losing money. So it is useless to create a long trading bot if the whole market is trending, going downwards. So this is what happens. What I created long trading bots, some work, but this was during only a short period of time when it was short upswing, but majority of the time it's a downswing. So I only used this when it was in a short upswing. So one thing to take note though is that the bot doesn't have, it is not perfect. So even though it says to be automated, the bot will create errors. One of the trading strategies that create errors for me in their signal is the RSI. I've used the Bollinger Bands, and there's no problem with Bollinger Bands as it doesn't create errors for me. But sometimes RSI does. Using RSI as the signal here sometimes create errors. It doesn't create a trade at all. And yeah, one problem though is sometimes it does not close the trade at a certain time frame you want it. So you'll notice that in your exchange you're gonna have open positions that even though it says in the chart that it has to close, it doesn't close, it doesn't execute. So these automated trading bots are quite unreliable. Also, they have the marketplace, which they show like which strategies are profitable, but as time passes by, I've seen the strategies here, it seems that they're not updated to the latest. So this is a DCA futures. Yeah, this is a futures bot. It's in short. So if I click on copy, it has the settings available, but you can change it though. You have 30 extra orders. Yes, indeed profitable. Age is only 5 days, 5 times copied, and it still depends on what trend you're going for. This is only profitable now since we're in a downtrend. So if still have to stop the bot if we're going uptrend. So this only works trend based. So lots of these numbers here are not updated. So in my conclusion though, it's way better to actually trade manually on your exchange, swing trade, because you don't need to spend freaking monthly subscription for this, as you'll be able to you will have to spend like money for subscription monthly, and subscription here for you to use the futures bot, and that's what people are after, is actually, this is around 70 USD a month, 70 US dollars. You have the advanced and the basic, $23 for advanced and $13 monthly for the basic, but you will have DCA for this. And maximum one you're gonna have bots with futures. You see here, futures bots, and also the maximum offers, custom trading your signals, and Maximum has of course the other exchanges you can link to through the trading bot, and it's gonna cost you a lot more than just the subscription here. And I would not recommend using a service like this. I'm gonna give you an example. Let's say you bet $100 using a trading bot. In 5 days you make 50%, so you make $50 profit. So every day you're just making 10% a day from the bot, right? For 5 days. Compared to when you swing trade yourself manually, you're going by a trend the same as the bot does. You manually trade, you swing trade one time, and you still earn 50% after 5 days. It's the same earnings still as what you did with a trading bot. The only difference is you didn't spend freaking $70 a month just to trade futures. And my conclusion though, again, this is only good for people who spend who are basically stacked. So people who want to dabble in crypto trading bot or crypto trading in general but have no time at all to invest. No time to invest. Let's say they're so busy, and this is best for those people who have no time at all. So if you have spare time, better trade yourself. And that is all. Hopefully next time we're gonna have a better, they're gonna upgrade their trading bot, make it better than what it is now. And I think there are most trading bots, this type of concept is still new. It's just a few years. Maybe in the future they can have better trading botting service for subscriptions. And anyways, don't forget of course to subscribe and like if you fancy review videos like these. See you next time.